Good day, viewers. I welcome you once again to this channel. Today we'll be considering logarithm of numbers less than 1. In our previous video we considered logarithm of numbers greater than 1, but in this case we'll be considering logarithm of numbers less than 1. Without further ado, let's solve this problem. This question says evaluate square root of 0.006942 times cube root of 0.6418 divided by 0.002547 raised to the power of 3. Now you set out your work in a tabular form as usual. So this number log here we have 0.006942, this the square root of that. Now our characteristic here, since there are three zeros, 1 2 3 zeros, so write bar 3 point. Now let's look for 69 under 4 difference 2 from our logarithm tables. 69 under 4 difference 2, 6942. Okay, so it becomes 69, this 69 under 4, this under 4, 69 under 4 is 8414. So difference 2 is, let's continue along that same line. This difference 2, this difference 2, this difference 2, down to that, trace it down. Difference 2 is 1, so plus 1, that's 8415. so here we write 8415. now since it's square root, what we do is we divide by 2. Remember I told you in our last video, so you divide it by 2. So dividing this by 2, let's rewrite it in this form. This is the same as bar 3 plus 0.8415 divided by 2 and divided by 2. Now you agree with me that 3 is not divisible by 2. So what we do is we subtract 1 from this, let's call this minus 3. So when you subtract 1 from minus 3, you also add 1 to this 0. So subtracting 1 from minus 3, when you subtract 1 from, that's minus 3 minus 1, that's minus 4. So it changes to bar 4 divided by 2. So you add 1 to this. So when you add 1 to 0, it becomes 1.8415 divided by 2. Now you see 4 is divisible by 2. So bar 4 divided by 2 is bar 2 plus 1.8415 divided by 2. When you do that with your calculator, you have 1.8415 divided by 2. You have 0.9208. So when you add it to this, it becomes bar 2.9208. so we can write this here, bar 2.9208. so let's extend this line like that. Now the next thing we are going to do is cube root of 0.6418. cube root of 0.6418. the characteristic here is, since it's just 1 0, so it will be bar 1 point. Now from our logarithm table, 64 under 1 difference 8 will be 64 under 1 difference 8. 64 under 1 is this under 1, this 64 under 1 is 8069. difference 8, this difference 8 here, difference 8, when you trace it down, trace this to down like that. Sorry, that's not difference 8, sorry. This difference 8 here, difference 8, trace difference 8 down. Look at it, the mean difference, trace it down like that, then trace this to like that to difference 8, that's 5. So it becomes plus 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. 4 carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then this 0 8. That's 8074. So here we write 8074. Now cube root, that means we are dividing by 3. That is bar 1 plus 0.8074. This is the same as this. So divided by 3, divided by 3. So what we do is, when we subtract 1 from this, we add 1 to this. We'll be repeating the process till we get a value that is divisible by 3. So when we subtract 1 and add 1 to this, it becomes bar 2 over 3 plus add 1 to this, 1.8074 over 3. 2 is not divisible by 3, so we repeat the process. Subtract 1 from this, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. That's bar 3 divided by 3 plus we add 1 to this. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2.8074 divided by 3. So bar 3 divided by 3 is bar 1 plus 2.8074 divided by 3. That's 2.8074 divided by 3. That is 0.9358. So putting it together, it becomes bar 1.9. You just ignore this 0. 9358. So we are done with the numerator. So we can write this here. We can write this here, bar 1.9358. Okay, let's bring this down. Bar 2 point, this bar 2.9208. Okay, good. Now that's that for the numerator. Now we add. Since it's multiplication, look at it. Look at this. This multiplied by that. So we are adding. Now when we add, we have 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 carry 1. 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 1 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8, we carry 1 here. Now 1 minus this bar, yes, it connotes minus. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus this minus 1. That's minus 1 plus minus 1. That's minus 1 minus 1. That's minus 2. So this becomes bar 2 point. You see that now? Bar 2 point. So that becomes bar 2.8566. Now I want us to do one more thing. Let's extend this line. Let's extend this line. Then let's write this here, bar 2.8566. Now for the numerator, let's now solve for the numerator now. For the numerator, we have 0.002547 cube. That 0.002547 raised to the power of 3. 0.00, let's confirm, 2547 raised to the power of 3. Okay, that's correct. Now our characteristic here is 1 2 3. There are 3 digits, so it becomes bar 3 point. Let's look for 25 under 4 difference 7. 25 under 4 difference 7. So our logarithm tables, we open our logarithm tables. 25 under 4 difference 7. So 25, this 25 under 4 is this is 1 2 3 and 4. This difference 4 under 4 is 4048. 4048. Now difference 7, that will be, let's continue along that line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. That's 12. So this becomes 8 plus 2. We add difference. Remember, you always add difference. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 carry 1. 4 plus 1 plus 1, that's 6. Then this 0 and this 4. So 4060. So here we write 4060. Now since it's raised to the power of 3, raised to the power of 3, we multiply by 3. So 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 6 is 18, 8, we carry 1 here, 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1, 3 times 4 is 12, 2, carry 1, 3 times bar 3, don't do 1 minus 3, no, do the multiplication first. 3 times bar 3 is bar 9, bar 9, so then 1 minus 9, that's bar 8, bar 8, bar 8.2180, so bar 8.2180. now this is numerator divided by denominator, so we are subtracting. So 6 minus 0 is 6, 6 minus 8, we borrow 1 here, it becomes 16, 16 minus 8 is 8, this changes to 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 8 minus 2 is 6, minus 2 minus minus 8, look at the minus 2 minus minus 8, that's minus 2, minus times minus is plus, minus 2 plus 8 is 6, so here we write 6 point, so it becomes 6.6386. now let's look for the antilog. Okay, since we have it, let's look for antilog of this. So antilog of 6.6386, that becomes, let's ignore the first digit first, then let's look for 63 under 8 difference 6 from antilog table 6386. so let's go to antilog now. This is our antilog table, so we're trying to get 6386. So 6386, that's 63 under 8 difference 6, so this 63 under 8, this 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, 63 under 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 63 under 8 is 4 3 4 5, then difference 6 is 1 2 3 4 5 6, so difference 6 is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 also, that's 6, so it becomes 6. We add difference, 6 plus 5 is 11, 1 carry 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, then 3 and 4, so 4351. so here we write, that's 4351. now if, remember I said in our last video that if what we have here, after you've looked for the antilog, if the first digit here is 0, you count 1 digit and put your point. If it's 1, you count 1 2 digits and put your point. If it's 2, you count 1 2 3, but it's 6, that means you are counting 7, but we don't have up to 7 digits here. What we have is 4, so it will be 1 2 3 4, so we add 3 extra zeros, 1 2 and 3 extra zeros, so this is our answer. You can always confirm with your calculator. 4351000. Let's quickly check with our calculators, everybody. This will be, look at it, root 0.006942 multiplied by cube root of cube root of 0.6418 divided by 0.002547 raised to the power of 3. That gives us 4349. That's approximately 43. We got 4351, so approximately 4351 1. So it's an approximate value. So these are finance, everybody. Thank you very much for staying tuned to this channel. I look forward to meeting you in our next video. Please do well to subscribe to this video and to turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much. Bye.